Alright, so first thing we got to do is take off the battery. Okay, so we got these 4 bolts over here, and we got some bolts underneath. So there's 2 bolts underneath the bracket or the battery holder, and you can't see it from on top. You got to go feel for it by hand. Got one. Okay, I pulled this out for the air intake, and that exposes the bolt right down there. So I use this ratchet wrench. Got this little plastic fastener here we gotta clip off. And now the starter motor is exposed. It's just a little clip here, just pulled it out of the way. Then we got another electrical fitting over here. There. And there's only 2 bolts holding this thing on. It's got one up here and one on the bottom. Okay, 17 millimeters. Alright, so I'm going to put my cheater ball right here. There we go. There we go. Got the holes lined up. Okay, get the thread started there. Okay, I'm going to use my Milwaukee medium strength 1/2-inch impact driver. Okay, we're going to connect this electrical fitting here. Rubber boot. I'm going to use the factory original nut because it has a built-in washer. See, I'll clip this back in over here. I'll put this boot back on. I'll just hand tighten the screws for now till all the bolt holes are lined up. here. These two go on the bottom. And I can sort of see what I'm doing. Okay. I think I got started. Got this little hook here. Got this other 10 millimeter. It goes over here. There we go. I think we're done.
We're done.